Hello and thank you for watching Creative Art Expressions with Sapphire C. In this video I'm going to show you how to single crochet into a chain. So I've just chained 36, but you chain however many the pattern calls for. And then you're going to single crochet into the second chain from your hook. So the first chain is right here. It's not your working loop, which is the one you have on your hook, but this is your first chain right here. Your second chain is going to be right here, so I'm going to go into that second chain. To do a single crochet, you insert your hook into that chain space, you yarn over, draw up that loop, and you have 2 loops on your hook. You yarn over, and you pull through both loops on your hook, and that is your first single crochet. Now if you're wanting to mark that so you know when you come back to it that that was your first one, then I always like to mark mine with a stitch marker. Okay, and then you're going to continue across doing the same thing. Insert your hook to that next chain space, draw up a loop. You have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, and pull through both of the loops on your hook. And just continue doing that. Yarn over, pull through both loops on your hook. And that is how you single crochet into your chain. And you will do that all the way across the chain, according to whatever pattern you're following. And you can tell that there's like a little line of, where are those? Little line down there of unworked loops. Hope this has helped you. Please comment, leave a like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.